Hosting a dinner party.
I'm so nervous about hosting a dinner party.
Relax, it will be fun. What do you want me to do?
Can you set the table and put some candles out?
Sure, and then I'll go out and pick up some drinks.
Okay, the cooking is finished. I just have to make the salad.
Do you want me to get some cake while I'm out too?
Dialogue 1. I don't think everyone's pitching in with the housework around here.
I handle all the cooking and cleaning. Does that seem right to you?
Not really, but I keep my room neat.
Your room might be tidy, but your stuff is all over the living room.
Fine, I'll make sure to keep my things in my room from now on.
And we all need to chip in with the dusting and vacuuming.
Dialogue 2. Seems like not everyone's pulling their weight with the chores in this house.
I'm doing all the meal prep and tidying up. Is that fair in your opinion?
No, but I maintain my room well.
Your room may be in order, but your belongings are scattered throughout the living area.
All right, I'll ensure my stuff stays in my room.
And we all have to pitch in with cleaning the dust and running the vacuum.
Dialogue 3. I feel like some people aren't doing their part with the housework here.
I'm handling all the cooking and cleaning. Do you think that's balanced?
Not really, but I keep my space organized.
Your space might be organized, but your things are strewn across the living room.
Okay, I'll make sure to keep my belongings in my room.
And we all need to take turns with dusting and vacuuming.